All right, now let's take a look at some of the stocks that you all are talking about and asking about, and we certainly can't get away from talking about GameStop. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at where GameStop is. And we look at that, you saw all the news, I'm not picking on anybody. I'm just going to give you general commentary. Roaring Kitty was going to come out and he was going to do a live stream today at noon. He didn't show up till 12:30, so he's 30 minutes late. And the expectation was that he was going to come talk the stock up in advance of GME's earnings. Once again, last night in our insiders meeting for alert subscribers only at ewotrader.com, I said that there's no way, in my opinion, it was just my opinion, that GameStop could come out with anything but disappointing earnings. They're struggling to move from a brick and mortar type of a scenario into a scenario of online gaming. And I think GameStop kind of smelled out what might be coming. I give the management major kudos for this. And they announced their earnings early. They announced them this morning before that big live stream was going to come out. And it was greatly disappointing on the earnings, exactly what I thought was going to happen. And you can see we opened up here and just sold off hard to the downside because the earnings report was really disappointing. So where, the whole Netflix series, et cetera, has been talking about this whole thing with Roaring Kitty, et cetera, who is really helped the most is GameStop as a company. Because back when we had the pandemic and they had that big run, they sold a whole bunch of shares to shore up their balance sheet, and they did it again with these things. So GameStop as a company is being able to be stayed alive through all this. But from a retail trading standpoint, it's so risky. The volatility is so great. I encourage the average retail trader just to watch it, but stay away from it from a trading standpoint. A few people can make some money on it, but the most people lose money on it. And this, I don't think, played out as expected. It was unexpected that GameStop was going to come out and report their earnings this morning before that live stream came out. And then you can see the bar is a pretty ugly bar here on what ended up happening. As I spread the chart out, you can see where we closed. And then if we go to a 3-minute chart on GameStop, you can see that that was pretty ugly, right? I mean, the high of the day was back near the open. And then we went down and just had a pretty negative day. And so I hope that if you're watching, you didn't get hurt by this today. But please understand that it is not that easy to make money. I was on commentary that back when the meme craze was going on, that there were institutions behind it. The expectation here or the speculation here. And again, all I'm doing is reporting what I read. I don't have any facts that I'm giving you. It's my opinion. And what I've read from others is that was a big crypto player behind this move, behind the whole Roaring Kitty phenomenon. It wasn't necessarily a trading institution. The last time that it occurred, the institution got called in front of Congress to say, what are you doing with this whole thing of, let's just go long all these highly shorted stocks. Well, the retail trader doesn't have enough power to cause institutions to cover short positions. But if an institution comes in with the big volume, they do. And so there was a institution that was following along with all of the rhetoric that was going on through all this talk. And they came in and they caused the movement. A few people made a lot of money, but as I said, the majority of traders missed out on it and lost a lot. Same thing occurred today. So please just stay out of this space. Watch it. It's too risky in the world of trading. There's enough risk in general trading to get involved in stuff like this. So I just encourage everyone to stay away from this.